So a few days ago, one of my followers was scammed on Binance, no, on Deriv p2p. But how was it? So this person actually did an exchange, but he did not receive the money. But Deriv favored the scammer. Well, this is not new. This is something that happens most of the times. So I always preach about this. Deriv p2p is not really a safe place at all. Like you really need to be smart, okay, for you not to get scammed. Now the thing is, okay, people are getting smart each and every time. So now the thing is, this also applies in court. So it's not about who is right or wrong. It's about who has got more convincing proof than the other. So usually when you do a P2P transaction on Deriv, okay, if you do not receive the money, you can actually conduct Deriv and they will be able to resolve. So when it comes to that process, okay, both of you will be required, okay, to submit proof that I've sent the money and I've not received the money. So they're just going to look at that, and I don't know what measures they use, and they're going to look at the evidence, and they're going to see, going to decide like who is right and who is wrong. So now it depends on the type of proof that was provided and if it's convincing at all. So there's some people but you can send them money and they will lie that they've not received. Some they're going to. So it's really hard to trust people these days. So I'm sure even Deriv finds it hard to know who to believe because it's not there. Deriv is not always there like to see what's happening. So now the thing is, how can you stay safe? So the only way of staying safe on Deriv P2P is to do transactions or exchanges with people that you trust. Okay, usually you're going to start trusting people on continue doing the exchanges on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. So they're good. So usually like uh because I've been using Deriv for a lot of years, so I know people like if I want to sell my dollars on Deriv P2P, I know who to sell to. Okay, if I want to buy, I know who to buy to. I know who to buy from. I don't just go and Deriv P2P and buy from whoever is selling or sell to whoever is buying. No, I look for people that I've actually used in the past. So it's always good that to always use people that you're actually used to. Okay, that way you'll be safer. So now the thing is, what if you're a beginner? Because if you're a beginner, you're not going to have someone to trust, okay, to be doing the exchanges with. So this is why I advise that if you're a beginner in trading, try by all means to avoid P2P because on P2P there are a lot of offers there that can actually make you get forced to buy or sell to them because of their rates and so on and other stuff. Okay, and I always say this: buy or sell your derivative funds to people with a lot of versus with a lot of trades. So on Deriv P2P, there are people who have done 300 transactions in a month, 200 in a month. Usually, Deriv shows you that this person has processed this amount of exchanges, this amount of exchanges, and so on. But if you decide to sell your Deriv fund to someone with zero transactions completed, well, you should be scared about that because that person is a first time user and you're probably going to scam you. Yeah, so always try to buy and sell from people who have got a lot of trades. Yeah, I think that's the best way. But the best way actually is to just avoid P2P at all. So if you're from Zambia, Malawi, Uganda, and so on, I myself am actually a payment agent. So you can actually withdraw and deposit through me direct to your Deriv account. Like all you need to do is simply contact me on WhatsApp and I'll guide you on how you can actually deposit and withdraw your funds. Okay, so this is it about staying safe about the real. Feel free to share your experiences in the comment section. But for now,